Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can clone channels on Discord. So to do that, you're just going to go to a server, and to clone a channel, it is super simple. You're just going to right click on a voice channel or on a text channel. Then you are going to select clone channel. You can also change the name, but the settings like the permissions, user limit, and bitrate will be the same as lobby, but you can change it to, for instance, like watch movies together. So create channel, and then the permissions will be the same, but you can change the name of the channel. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!